Dear students, in this class we are going to see about three-phase power measurement. There are various methods to measure the three-phase power in three-phase circuits. Depends upon the number of wattmeters used. We have three methods. One is 3 wattmeter method, another one is 2 wattmeter method, another one is single wattmeter method. Wattmeter is a device used to measure the power. So measurement of three-phase power by 3 wattmeter method. The 3 wattmeter method is used to measure power in 3-phase 4-wire system. There are 3-phase and 1 neutral wire. However, this method can also be used in 3-phase 3-wire delta connected load where power consumed by each load is required to be determined separately. The 3 wattmeter method can be used for star and delta connected unbalanced load also. The connection diagram shows the 3-phase 3 wattmeter method. 3-phase power by 3 wattmeter method. The connection for star delta connected loads for measuring power by 3 wattmeter method is shown below. First one is star connected system, second one is delta connected system. W1, W2, W3 are the 3 wattmeters. There are 2 coils in the wattmeter. One is pressure coil, another one is current coil. There are 3 phases. See the star connected system. There are 3 phases R, Y, B and 1 neutral wire. So neutral wire is connected with any one of the phase. So it is a star connected system in which the wattmeter is connected like this. The wattmeter has 4 terminals M, L, C, V. M is main, L is for load, C is for common and V is the voltage. Okay. Similarly, it is a diagram for the delta connected load. Delta connected load 3-phase wattmeter method is shown in the given figure. W1, W2, W3 are the 3 wattmeters which is used to measure the delta connected power. The pressure coil of all the 3 wattmeters, namely W1, W2 and W3 are connected to a common terminal known as neutral point. The product of the phase current and line voltage represents phase power and is recorded by individual wattmeter. Each phase power will be measured by each wattmeter separately. So the pressure coil of all the 3 wattmeters, namely W1, W2 and W3 are connected to a common terminal that is known as neutral point. The product of the phase current and line voltage represents the phase power and is recorded by individual wattmeter. Therefore, the total power in a 3 wattmeter method of power measurement is given by the algebraic sum of the readings of 3 wattmeter, that is power equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3, where W1 is V1 I1, W2 is V2 I2 and W3 is V3 I3. Except for 3-phase 4-wire unbalanced load, 3-phase power can be measured by using only 2 wattmeter. Except for 3-phase 4-wire unbalanced load, 3-phase power can be measured by using only 2 wattmeter method. Only for 3-phase 4-wire system we are using 3 wattmeter method, and for 3-phase 3-wire system we are going for the 2 wattmeter method. Okay. Next one is measurement of 3-phase power by 2 wattmeter method. 2 wattmeter method can be used to measure the power in a 3-phase 3-wire star or delta connected balanced or unbalanced load. In 2 wattmeter method, the current coil of the wattmeter are connected with any 2 lines, say R and Y, and the potential coil of each wattmeter is joined across the same line, the third line, that is B. Again I will repeat. In 2 wattmeter method, the current coils of the wattmeter are connected with any 2 lines, say R and Y, and the potential coil of each wattmeter is joined, that is pressure coil, is joined across the same line, that is the third line B. The 2 wattmeter method is used for the power measurement in the 3-phase system, irrespective of whether the load is balanced or unbalanced. It is the star connected load with 2 wattmeter connection. See the connection. Let W1 and W2 be the 2 wattmeters. Let ERN and EBN the phase voltage across 3 loads, and IR, IY and IB be the phase currents respectively. So it is a diagram for 2 wattmeter method for star connection, in which the instantaneous current through the current coil of wattmeter W1 is given by the equation W1 equal to IR. Similarly, instantaneous potential difference across the potential coil of wattmeter W1 is given as ERN minus EBN. That is W1 equal to ERN minus EBN. So instantaneous power measured by the wattmeter W1 is IR into ERN minus EBN. Similarly, for W2, that is used to measure the current IY, and W2 measures the voltage between EYN and EBN. Therefore, the instantaneous power measured by the wattmeter W2 is IY of EYN minus EBN. Therefore, the total power measured by the two wattmeter W1 and W2 will be obtained by adding the equations 1 and 2. Therefore, W1 plus W2 equal to IR of ERN minus EBN, that is measured by the wattmeter 1, and IY of EYN minus EBN, that is measured by the wattmeter 2. Therefore, the total equation gives IR ERN plus IY EYN plus IB EBN, that is IR plus IY plus IB equal to 0. Therefore, W1 plus W2 equal to P. So, here P is the total power absorbed in the three loads at any instant. So, it is the delta connected load 2 wattmeter method. Delta connected load 2 wattmeter method. There are similar notations for delta also. Here also W1 is IR, that is equal to I1 minus I3. But W1 equal to ERB. That is the voltage is W1 across voltage is ERB. Therefore, the instantaneous power measured by the wattmeter W1 is ERB into I1 minus I3. Then W2 is IY of I2 minus I1. That is IY, I2 minus I1, and for the potential is EYB. Therefore, W2 equal to EYB of I2 minus I1. Therefore, W1 plus W2 equal to ERB of I1 minus I3 measured by wattmeter W1 and EYB of I2 minus I1 measured by the wattmeter 2. Therefore, W1 plus W2 equal to I1 ERY plus I2 EYB plus I3 EBR, same as the star connected load, and ERY plus EYB plus EBR equal to 0 in this case. For delta connection, ERY plus EYB plus EBR equal to 0. For star connection, IR plus IY plus IB equal to 0. For delta connection, ERY plus EYB plus EBR equal to 0. Therefore, W1 plus W2 equal to P. Here, P is the total power absorbed in the three loads at any instant. So, the power measured by the 2 wattmeter at any instant is the instantaneous power absorbed by the three loads connected in three phases. In fact, this power is the average power drawn by the load, since the wattmeter reads the average power because of the inertia of the moving system. Then, measurement of power by single phase wattmeter method. Power is measured in the electric circuit using a wattmeter. A single phase wattmeter consists of two coils, namely the current coil and the pressure coil. The current coil is connected in series with the line and thus carries the line current. The pressure coil is connected in parallel with the line, and the wattmeter gives the power per phase. It is the single wattmeter. The wattmeter gives the value of power per phase. It is the diagram for single wattmeter method for star connected system. The wattmeter gives the value of power per phase. Therefore, total power equal to 3 into power per phase. Therefore, 3 into wattmeter reading gives the power measured by the three-phase system. That is, the 1 wattmeter method is used for power measurement in the three-phase star connected balanced load only. Thank you.